Hello, good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of Solana on March 2nd. Well, Solana ended last month with a bearish candle, and after experiencing a 36% price drop, it rebounded and ultimately closed with a 20%.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
20% decrease in price. Here we can see that last month's movement of Solana dropped down to the monthly BPR area, as well as the 0.786 Fibonacci line, and then encountered strong support in this range and rebounded upwards. Similarly, on the weekly time frame, we can also see that in the past week, Solana's price was fluctuating between its weekly FVG area and the monthly BPR, and ultimately ended the week as a doji candle. We are currently analyzing the inflow and outflow of liquidity into Solana ETF funds, and as you can see, last week we witnessed a clear trend of capital inflow. Additionally, this trend has been reported as positive and inflowing for the past 2 weeks. We are now analyzing the daily time frame. Alongside the inflow we have seen in Solana ETF funds, we are also witnessing the onset of war between Iran and the United States, which to a large extent causes investors to distance themselves from high-risk markets like crypto and move their capital towards safe assets such as gold. However, at the moment, we are witnessing a contradiction in the crypto market. On Saturday, when these tensions began, we witnessed a sharp price drop in the crypto market. However, as you can see, ultimately at this bottom, there was very strong support, and the price rebounded upwards, and even the daily candle for Saturday, February 28th, closed bullish. This means that decision-making has become somewhat difficult for traders, and alongside the risk aversion we've seen in financial markets, there is also strong support for the price in demand zones. In the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that after the sharp drop at the beginning of February, the price formed a trading range, and each time it approached the upper or lower boundary of this range, it reacted to it and moved in the opposite direction. To better predict the price, we can take a look at Solana's liquidity map. As for the best buy-side liquidity, you can see that there is very strong liquidity at the previous high as well as in the 89.97 range. Similarly, as the most important sell-side liquidity, we see the $77.30 price range, and there is also good liquidity near the current price and at the previous low. We are currently analyzing the 1-hour time frame. As a bullish scenario, we can consider that after the price collects the liquidity in the FVG area, or even in case of a deeper move, the liquidity at the previous low, it may once again encounter strong support and make an upward move toward the 1-hour FVG area, continuing up to the $87 zone. However, considering that today, on the first trading day of this week, we saw increased risk aversion in the financial markets, we will focus more on bearish setups. If we observe price increases and buy-side liquidity being collected at various points, we will try to enter sell trades within the specified trading range. Wishing you success and profitable trades.